Kansas and has a Bachelor of Science in Biology from Washburn University, where he graduated magna cum laude. He was a Running Free mentor, a Youth for Christ intern, and a Kansas Idea Network Biological Research Excellence Bioinformatics Scholar.
I'm going to address my remarks to the class of 2023, but I'm also going to address them to your family and your spouses, your friends who are here today who may not be familiar with the Creighton University School of Medicine. You all have a purpose, and part of your purpose is becoming a Creighton physician. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you, but when you think about the grand scheme of life and eternity, you've got a lot of responsibility ahead of you and a lot of fun. But what I want you to wake up with every day is a sense of gratitude for the gifts, for the people who helped you get here. You're all smart, your service to people. But really, every day as a physician, you ought to just feel awestruck by your ability to see the hand of God at work in the world. So our goal over the next 4 years, 4 short years, is to prepare you for a lifetime of spiritual, emotional, and professional growth. Not just professional growth. We're here to prepare you to really live the rest of your life so that your world is always expanding. So, as you leave today, you should leave with a great sense of gratitude for where you are, for the adventure you're beginning. I can tell you that all of the faculty are supportive. We look forward to having all of you graduating in 2023. And I can tell you this right now, as God is my witness, in 2023, when all of you graduate, you also will be outstanding Creighton physicians. Thank you.